of all, you got the biggest compliment from one of the biggest personalities. I mean, तो वो बताए कि सलमान ने compliment किया पे गाने को, तो वो कितनी बड़ी बात है आपके लिए? How big?
मतलब
Right now, what is the
बड़ी
feeling?
बात तो बहुत बड़ी बात है ना, किसी के लिए भी मतलब कोई भी हो, it's a great thing, if Salman sir likes the song and if he posts about it. um, अच्छी बात है वैसे, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
Talking about your, but पहले भी जो आपने काम किया है, you have been successful on all your projects. Particularly, what are you looking for in the future? What kind of project basically you want to do?
देखिए मैं पहले से ही, मेरे लिए एक्टिंग बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, और सिंगर तो हूँ अभी, और मैं और गाने भी गाऊंगी. पर ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे एक्टिंग को छोड़ना नहीं है. वैसा एक कोई था कल, मुझसे पूछा था कि तो अभी से सिर्फ सिंगिंग, एंड आई एम लाइक नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. आई मीन आई एम एन एक्टर, आई एम फर्स्ट एन एक्टर एंड आई लव टू एक्ट. सो आगे also I would love to do the kind of projects that I've been doing, like be it a Sacred Games, be it a Made in Heaven, a film like Sangeet, or Abhay was also really great for me. So acting is my passion, and that will be the main focus for the future.
Belonging from Iran, I mean, when you were a child, what was the environment regarding the Hindi films? What is the scenario over there? लोगों का कितना पागलपन है हिंदी फिल्मों के लिए?
पागलपन बहुत है ईरान में बॉलीवुड मूवीज़ के लिए एक्चुअली. अभी तो ये जो नए नए मूवीज़ है वो लोग नहीं जानते हैं ज़्यादा, बट लाइक ओल्ड मूवीज़ लाइक शोले और समथिंग, और लाइक actors like Amitabh Bachchan ji, Aishwarya Rai, the older generations and all. That was also mainly the reason why I started watching Bollywood movies, because my parents were watching those. So Iranians love Bollywood movies a lot.
So what was the first movie you watched और कैसा था वो
और
अनुभव?
मुझे याद नहीं है कि फर्स्ट मूवी क्या था, but मुझे लगता है कि फर्स्ट मूवी ही शोले ही था.
Okay.
Sholay was for me the first movie that I watched. After that, I watched so many other movies. And basically, जब मैं जर्मनी में थी, ये सारे जो धर्मा मूवीज़ हैं, जो कल हो ना हो, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी खुशी कभी गम, all of these movies were dubbed in German.
Okay.
तब मैं जर्मन में देख रही थी ये सब, और उस वक्त मुझे हिंदी भी नहीं आती थी. तो those were mainly the movies that brought me to India.
When you first came to Mumbai, I mean, language is an issue. आपकी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी है.
Thank you.
शुरुआत में शायद इतनी अच्छी नहीं होगी, तो फिर कैसे
शुरुआत में तो मुझे पहले नमस्ते भी पता नहीं था.
तो how did you
मुझे
manage
पता
all
नहीं था
this?
कि नमस्ते क्या होता है.
How did you manage all these things? I mean,
बस सीख लिया. क्या मैनेज मतलब मैनेज तो नहीं कर सकते, बस सीखना है ना. आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड लर्निंग द लैंग्वेज. आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग, क्योंकि मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट था कि मैं पढ़ भी सकूं देवनागरी. और एक एक्चुअली बहुत ही फ़नी स्टोरी है कि जब मैं सेट पे हूँ और ये लोग मुझे मेरे स्क्रिप्ट्स दे रहे हैं, मेरे साइज़ दे रहे हैं, तो मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि मुझे स्क्रिप्ट देवनागरी में चाहिए, क्योंकि मेरे लिए और आसान होता है फिर प्रोनाउंसिएशन. And then mostly people are always like, in the whole Bollywood industry, there are two people who ask for Devanagari scripts. One is Amitabh Bachchan ji and one is Alnas. And I'm like, yaar, you don't understand. For me, it's different, right? अगर आप देखो, आप रोमन में कुछ लिखोगे, we only have one D and one T. अगर आप इसको देवनागरी में लिखो, there are different ders, rers, ters, thers, right? तो इसीलिए I think it's important to have that Devanagari script ताकि मुझे पता हो मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. So that's like one funny instance that always happens on set.
Katrina from Katrina, Jacqueline, all have been big in the industry. तो
Yeah.
उनसे कोई inspiration है आपको? Are you inspired by any of this?
Inspired by all of their journeys for sure. I mean, it just because I'm in it myself and I see how hard it is. I know how hard they must have worked. So definitely, all of their industries, all of their journeys are very, very inspiring, and I have a lot of respect for all of them.
I mean, this time Salman have praised the song. I mean, Jacqueline or Katrina both should be very grateful to Salman because he has helped him. और तो क्या कहना चाहिए
Yeah.
उसके बारे में कि सलमान का एक हाथ होना कितना ज़रूरी होता है as a
देखिए ज़रूरी तो है कि जो लोग आपके आसपास हैं आपको सपोर्ट करें. नाउ इफ़ यू हैव समवन लाइक सलमान हु इज़ जस्ट अ ग्रेट ह्यूमन बीइंग जनरली एंड हु लाइक्स टू हेल्प पीपल, क्योंकि ऐसे लोग नहीं होते हैं ज़्यादा कि जो जिनको मतलब आप देखो whoever he has around him he wants to help them, चाहे वो लड़का हो लड़की हो कोई भी हो, राइटर हो डीओपी हो, if he has the ability to help he will help, and that's a very good trait. Anybody who has that trait is good. So I think whoever is around him and whoever has that kind of a support should just can be grateful, and so am I.
Recently also mentioned in video कि item girl or item song is a tag which I don't like to hear. I mean मुझे पसंद नहीं है. Any particular reason for it?
नहीं ऐसा ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे पसंद नहीं है, किसी ने पूछा था.
They also said the similar thing कि मुझे भी पसंद नहीं है, कोई मुझे item girl बुलाया या
हाँ.
item song.
No, because see, this is the thing, right? People like to tag things, which I don't think it makes no sense. And ये tagging सिर्फ इंडिया में होता है, कहीं और नहीं होता है. तो मैं बस ये बोल रही हूँ कि टैग क्यों कर रहे हो, मतलब आइटम का नंबर क्या होता है वैसे, आइटम गर्ल, लाइक इफ यू
Artist is an artist. I mean,
no, but if you look at it, item is an English word, right? What does item mean? Item, piece, something, right? This is not a nice thing to say, right? So generally I think you have to whatever you do you have to think about it. At the end of the day you need those item numbers to promote your movie. Agar wo item number na ho, your movie won't get the kind of exposure that it is getting with that item number, right? So you should actually be grateful that there are people who are such great dancers, there are people who do these, and we are grateful for having that kind of a job, that kind of a platform. It's, as an artist you do so many different things. How does it matter what it is? If you like doing it you do it, but like tagging something in a negative way is just something that I feel कहीं भी हो, चाहे बॉलीवुड हो या चाहे कहीं और हो, it's just it's not a nice thing, and I don't see a reason for that.
Now you're also very well trained and well educated, so that is a very big factor for you. तो वो कितना जरूरी होता है कि when you are planning to do something in life, taking education, taking training, being skillful, how important is it?
देखिए मेरे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि मैं ऐसी आदमी हूँ कि जब मैं कुछ कर रही हूँ मैं चाहती हूँ कि जो भी मैं कर रही हूँ वो परफेक्शन नहीं बोल सकती, पर ऐसा हो कि वो सही तरीके से कर रही हूँ. And that's important to me. I just want to, like, whatever I'm doing, I want to be prepared. I want to have trained well. I want it to be good, you know. If you open a restaurant, you're never going to make everything and then not put chairs, right? So it's the same thing in everything that you do. You just have to be properly prepared, properly ready with everything. वो मेरे लिए बहुत important है. अभी पता नहीं बाकी लोग कैसे सोचते हैं, पर मेरे लिए ये चीज़ बहुत important है.
You are in drag. I mean, काफी अच्छा ambience है. You know, everything is very nice. आपका क्या कहना है यहाँ पे location?
I think it's very sweet. I really like these chandeliers. I just saw them. जब मैं आई थी ये बंद थे तो बहुत ही डार्क लग रहा था मुझे, पर इन लोगों ने फिर ये chandeliers on किया, and I'm like, oh, these are really cool chandeliers. So I'm really liking the vibe here.
Lastly, asking, what is the dream kind of a project you want to do? Dream goal, something you have in mind?
देखिए दो ड्रीम रोल्स हैं मेरे लिए. एक तो आई लव डूइंग थ्रिलर्स, a role that has a lot of layers where you like think, oh my god, this girl is so sweet, and then suddenly you see how crazy she is, you know, like something like Gone Girl. I really love something like that. And then I have started working on mixed martial arts. I'm doing mixed martial arts now. I'm really hoping and dreaming of an action role. So that's why I've started doing that, so that if I ever get an action role, that I'm prepared enough, as we were just speaking about preparation. Yeah, action and thrillers are something that I really, really want to touch. Thank you. Oh.